guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can lock and unlock objects on Adobe Illustrator. So select like an object you want to lock and then go to object and then just select lock and then select selection. Or if you just want to lock one of the objects, actually if you want to just quickly do that with your keyboard, just press Ctrl 2 and it's going to lock it in place. To unlock the object, you're just going to right click on the object, select unlock, and then select path, and then you'll be able to unlock that real quick. Or you can go to file and then, wait, is that an edit? Okay, you can go to edit and then go to preferences, selection, and anchor display, and check the select and unlock object on canvas. Press OK. So when you lock it, you'll see this, and then you can just press this button to unlock it, and it works for everything if you've locked it as well. So for instance here, you locked everything, and if you hover over it, you still can press it, can't move it, but if you want to move it, just press unlock and you'll be able to move that. That is it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!